Today we are making chicken biryani. For this, we are first marinating chicken. This is half a kg of boneless chicken which is cut into pieces. We are now adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We will now mix the chicken very well. Now, spread the chicken evenly on an oven tray. We will be keeping the chicken in an oven for at 220 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now, for the chicken biryani gravy, we will be needing 3 to 4 large chopped onions, 1 cup of curd, 1 tablespoon chopped green chilies, half a tablespoon of ginger paste, half tablespoon of garlic paste. The spices we will be needing are whole allspice that will contain 2 bay leaves, 2 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, an inch of cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon allspice powder, and 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 2 cups of water. First, heat oil in a pan. We are now adding whole allspice. We are now adding chopped onions. We will be sauteing onion till it is light brown in color. We can see that the onion is getting brown. Now we can see the onion has got light brown. Now we are adding the ginger paste, the garlic paste, and will be sauteing it well. We are now adding chopped green chilies. We will now be adding curd. We will be adding all the spices now. We are adding turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, salt to taste, and allspice powder. Now mix it well. Once the gravy has come to a boil, keep it on a simmer flame for 5 minutes. If one likes more spicy food, he can add spices accordingly, or even less, then accordingly the spices can be added. The chicken is roasted and it is ready to go in the gravy. Now the gravy is ready and we will be adding chicken in it. Once the chicken is mixed, we will be adding water. But as the curd leaves water, we do not need plenty of it, so we are just adding half a cup of water. Now cover with a lid and keep the gravy for about 5 minutes. The chicken is ready. We will be layering up the biryani with boiled whole grain basmati rice. You have to layer up the biryani. First layer is of boiled rice. Now the layer is of chicken. Like this, you have to continue the layers. Once the layers are done, the biryani is ready to be served. The output we can see is very beautiful.